Some of you guys have mentioned that even when you turn off low power mode on the DJI Air Unit, it still won't hit maximum transmission power. The reason is that the Air Unit isn't receiving an arming signal from a flight controller, so it limits max power to prevent overheating. This is a huge pain for RC car or fixed-wing pilots who don't run flight controllers. But now, you can easily solve this problem with just a cheap receiver. First, we need to prep a receiver and a 5V VTX module. Solder the Air Unit, BEC, and receiver together. Note that the receiver must be connected to the 5V output on the BEC. The receiver's TX must connect to the Air Unit's RX, and the receiver's RX goes to the Air Unit's TX. Once wired up, power on the gear. Wait about a minute until the receiver LED blinks rapidly, entering Wi-Fi mode. Open the ExpressLRS web flasher and click Receiver. Select version 4.0 or higher, then pick the correct firmware for your receiver below. On the next page, select Wi-Fi and click Download when done. After downloading, open your Wi-Fi, connect to the ExpressLRS RX network. The default password is ExpressLRS. Once connected, open your browser and go to 10.0.0.1. On the page, click Update and select the file you just downloaded. Click Flash. When the receiver LED flashes slowly, flashing is complete. After a successful flash, wait again for it to enter Wi-Fi mode. Click Serial, change CRSF to DisplayPort, and check the box below it. That's it. Now, whenever you power up the Air Unit, the receiver will send an arming signal. The Air Unit will automatically enter full power mode. Go give it a try.